Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the top 5 best Xbox racing wheels you can buy on Amazon in 2025. If you are serious about driving games and want the most realistic racing experience, a good wheel setup makes all the difference. In this video, we break down the best options for every budget, from high-end force feedback systems to beginner-friendly wheels you can plug in and start playing. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get into it. Number 1. Logitech G923 Racing Wheel and Pedals. The Logitech G923 is one of the most popular sim racing wheels designed for Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and PC. It features true force feedback up to 1000 Hz, dual clutch launch control, a genuine leather wheel cover, and responsive progressive brake pedals. This wheel delivers an incredibly immersive racing experience thanks to its true force technology, which provides precise road details, vibration patterns, and engine response. Build quality is premium, with sturdy materials and professional-grade leather. The dual clutch feature is especially useful for smoother starts in racing games. Pedals feel realistic and durable, and compatibility across platforms makes it a great long-term investment. Pros: true force realism with high precision force feedback, strong build quality with leather wheel cover, responsive and durable pedals, works with Xbox and PC, dual clutch launch control. If you want the most realistic racing experience on Xbox in 2025, the Logitech G923 still leads the pack. Professional feel, superior feedback, and multi-platform support make it worth every dollar. Number 2. Thrustmaster T128X. The Thrustmaster T128X is a force feedback racing wheel with magnetic pedals compatible with Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and PC. It features a lightweight design and modern feedback system for smooth gameplay. This wheel is an excellent mid-range pick for sim racing. The force feedback is impressively strong for its price point, and the magnetic pedal system improves durability and responsiveness. Easy plug-and-play setup makes it beginner-friendly, and the steering feels smooth and precise. Pros: affordable force feedback performance, magnetic pedals increase longevity, precise steering mechanics, great for beginners. The T128X hits the sweet spot between price and performance. If you are stepping into sim racing and want real force feedback without overspending, this wheel is a smart choice. Number 3. PXN V3II Racing Wheel. The PXN V3II is a 180-degree universal racing wheel that works with Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, PS3, PS4, Switch, and PC. It includes foot pedals and a functional control layout for multiple racing games. This wheel is aimed at casual racers who want versatility and budget-friendly hardware. The build is simple and the controls are easy to understand. While it does not offer true force feedback, it performs well for arcade racing games and beginners wanting a quick setup. Pros: multi-platform compatibility, budget-friendly, easy to set up and use, great for arcade racers. If you want an inexpensive racing wheel for fun gaming sessions without demanding realism, the PXN V3II is a great entry-level option. Number 4. Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider Racing Wheel. This wheel features an officially licensed Ferrari 458 design compatible with Xbox Series X and S and Xbox One. It includes a 240-degree rotation system and adjustable sensitivity settings. The Ferrari branding makes this wheel stand out visually. It's lightweight, responsive, and designed primarily for casual racing titles. Although it lacks true force feedback, the bungee cord system gives some resistance that feels natural during gameplay. Pros: official Ferrari 458 design, smooth steering resistance, adjustable sensitivity. Great for beginners. If you want a stylish, comfortable wheel for casual gaming at an affordable price, this Ferrari 458 Spider option from Thrustmaster delivers solid value. Number 5. PXN V99 Racing Wheel. The PXN V99 offers real force feedback, a detachable 270/900 degree steering angle, pedals, and a shifter. It works with Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, PS4, and PC. This wheel brings a lot of features usually found in more expensive racing systems. The 900-degree mode is ideal for simulation games, while 270 degrees works well for arcade racing. Having a built-in shifter gives it extra realism. Force feedback is strong and delivers noticeable resistance in road feel. Pros: 270 to 900 degree steering options. Comes with pedals and shifter. Real force feedback. Good value for the price. The PXN V99 is one of the best budget force feedback systems on the market, ideal for users who want shifter support and realistic gameplay without spending premium prices. Thanks for watching this video covering the top 5 best Xbox wheels on Amazon for 2025. If you found this roundup helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed product reviews and buyer's guides. Check out the links in the description to see the latest prices and deals on all the wheels mentioned. See you in the next video.